Okay, problem 36, gas mileage. The cars get better gas mileage with premium instead of regular gasoline. While it might be possible to test some engines in a laboratory, we'd rather use real cars and real drivers and real day-to-day driving, so we get 20 volunteers. So design the experiment. Okay, so there are a lot of working variables here. Okay, so while we might just be tempted to say, okay, we're going to get 20 volunteers, and then 10 get premium, and then 10 get regular, and then compare, that is going to be a pretty poor design, because different cars get different gas mileages. Now if they're all the same type of car, that could eliminate some of the variation, but then you have, what about these people here? If they have different driving habits, if you're on the highway all the time, you're going to get better gas mileage, provided you're not on I-95 going north at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but as opposed to somebody who drives in the city. So here's what we would probably want to do. We get 20 volunteers. Okay, and then we're going to randomly assign, and we're going to give them 10 get premium for the first tank, and 10 get regular for the first tank. And then these guys get regular in the second tank, and then these guys get premium in the second tank. And in this we would compare. So we would compare this, and we would compare this, and we would see this is a match pair design. So for each driver, did their car get better gas mileage using premium than regular? Okay, now there's also other sorts of variation. I mean, hopefully these people are driving the same way, the same route, the same distance every day. Now, is that true? Well, all of a sudden somebody gets out of work late and they get on I-95 at 5:30 at night, their gas mileage is going to go down no matter what kind of gas they have. So hopefully all those variables are going to be about the same, but we can't control them. Okay, this is an experiment we definitely would want to replicate. Okay, so the 20 volunteers are the subjects. How would we randomly assign this? Assign each car a number from 1 to 20. Randomly select the first 10. They get premium first. The other 10 get regular first. Okay. So there's one factor, gasoline. There's 2 levels, premium and regular. So there's 2 treatments. And then we would compare for each driver. Okay, because there's just too much variation there between drivers and type of vehicles, and so we would not just fill half of them with premium and half of them with regular and compare. That would not give us a good basis for cause and effect. So we would do this, we would compare for each driver and see if there's a difference in their car between premium and regular.